Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this tutorial for the LSP golden overlays, the golden rings we're doing in this one. This is just a quick watch over my shoulder edit. For the full tutorial, you can watch video tutorial number 1, which shows you how to install and get started with these. So let's dive in. We don't need to darken the background. This is a beautiful dark background. The darker the background, the golder and more bright these are going to show up. So I'm going to here choose golden overlay with layers because I don't need to add simple. I really like adding it with all the layers that are included. Okay, so let's go ahead and decide which one we're going to add. How about we add scatter? The great thing about this is you can try a few. You'll probably find your favourites for your images, but you can try a few. I quite like it circling as if it's coming underneath the belly in this one. We're looking at the circle of her body and we kind of want to replicate that. You can even undo the aspect when you're sizing this, so you just kind of want to get it in place and hit enter. The actions have played out and they've done the subject selection for you, which is great. I really love how this one's turned out actually. Beautiful. We can turn the colour change on if you wanted to. Double click the icon to get your hue and saturation pop up. And you can slide this. Now we can have it quite neon looking if we wanted to, or desaturated, or just bring it down to a kind of a uniform gold, playing with the saturation. Don't touch the lightness on this because, you know, it might come out a little bit strange. So I would leave that where it is, but just play with your saturation and hue if you wanted to. Adding contrast is going to make this one pop up even more than it already is. You see here, really making it pop. So for painting a shadow, you can add some darkness over your image if you wanted to. I don't think we need to for this one, so I'm just going to get rid of that masking. What I might do is, because the light on our subject is coming from the left and the ring is a little bit brighter on this side, I think I'm going to Control or Command T, right click and choose flip horizontal, and that's just going to flip the ring. It won't affect the mask. You can also paint a bit of glow. You can try this one out. So we could just paint a little bit of glow coming around the ring here, so you can see where it might be going on to our subject. Beautiful. So before and after. We're done. I love using these, and you can check out the other tutorials, and I'd love to see how you use these on your own work. Please tag me in the LSP Actions Facebook group. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.